Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix critical process died error in Windows 10 or 11. So if you get blue screen or BSOD, so that your Windows may crash leading to a total data loss. So this is like the situation that you don't want to. So in this blog, you can open this stellarinfo.com. Okay, because I don't want my laptop or PC get blue screen, so I cannot give you example for that. But there are so many tips, there are so many guide to how you can fix it. So you can open this blog, for example. So when a critical component Windows can run properly, it may cause an error, or we can say critical process died with stopcode blah 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 blah. You can see image 1, this is this one. So your PC run into a problem and need to restart. So the simple way here, if you pay attention, all you have to do just restart this PC. But I already in this situation before, my computer get a boot loop, so you cannot enter the Windows, you cannot enter open your file explorer, just get blue screen every time when I restart my PC. So if you got situation like that, you can fix this by repair your system. So this one, fix critical process died error. Every time you boot your system normally, you can boot Windows in safe mode. This is the first way. You can use your USB installation. You prepare the USB installation. You can format it. Click repair a system computer and click troubleshoot. So you can use this image as your guide. And then you can go to the startup settings here. See this image. Click restart and press F4 to enable safe mode. This is very important. Please remember this. F4 to enable safe mode. This one. Once you enter the safe mode, proceed with the given method to fix critical process died error in Windows 10. So this first method is update your system drivers. So maybe you have changed, you got new VGA, but not yet give the hardware the driver. Please update it. So this one, for example, display adapters, Intel update driver, or you have another vendor like Nvidia or AMD, you can update the driver via web. This one, search automatically update driver software. Make sure your internet connection is on. Method 2, you can open run dialogs and type msconfig to perform a clean boot. And method 3, run sfg scan. Now you can open run administrator the command prompt and type run sfc. This is system file checker by command prompt, this one. So this is the advanced way to repair your PC. So please learn about this, how you can fix BSOD. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.